1. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, just 36 million miles away. It has no moons, an atmosphere almost non-existent, and a very slow rotation of 58 days for one full rotation around its axis. It's also incredibly hot on the surface due to its proximity to the Sun, with temperatures ranging from 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. The surface of Mercury is covered in craters and its core is made up of a solid inner part surrounded by liquid outer layers. 2. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and it's extremely similar in size, mass and density to Earth. It has a much thicker atmosphere than Earth though, made up of mostly carbon dioxide and nitrogen. This thick atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect that makes it incredibly hot on the planet's surface. Temperatures reach an average of 867 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus has no moons and its rotation is slow, taking 243 days for one complete rotation around its axis. 3. Earth is our home planet and the third from the Sun. It's the only planet in our solar system where life is known to exist, and it has a thick atmosphere made up of mostly nitrogen and oxygen. The surface of Earth is covered in water, ice and land masses. Its rotation takes 24 hours for one complete turn around its axis, while it orbits around the Sun once every 365 days. 4. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and has a very thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Its surface is covered in dust, volcanic rocks and craters. It's known for its high mountain peaks, such as Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. Mars takes 24 hours and 37 minutes to make one complete rotation around its axis, and it orbits the Sun once every 687 days. 5. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and it's huge, more than twice as massive as all of the other planets combined. It has a strong atmosphere made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. The most famous feature on Jupiter is its Great Red Spot, an area of high pressure that's been around for centuries. Jupiter rotates quickly on its axis, taking only 9 hours and 55 minutes to complete one rotation. It orbits the Sun once every 11.9 years. 6. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, and it's famous for its rings. These rings are made up of tiny rocks, dust and ice particles that are held in place by the planet's gravitational force. Saturn is also the second largest planet, behind Jupiter. Its atmosphere is made of mostly hydrogen and helium, and its rotation takes 10 hours and 42 minutes to complete one full turn around its axis. It orbits the Sun every 29 years. 7. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and it's different from the other planets in our solar system in that it rotates on its side. Its atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Its rotation takes 17 hours and 14 minutes to complete one turn around its axis, while it orbits the Sun once every 84 years. 8. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, and it's made of methane and hydrogen. Its atmosphere is much colder than any other planet in our solar system, with temperatures reaching minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune has faint rings that are made up of dust and rocks, and its rotation takes 16 hours and 6 minutes to make one full turn around its axis. It orbits the Sun once every 165 years. Thanks for viewing. Remember to like our video and to subscribe to this channel to get future videos.